Let's look at question number 29. Divide two integers. So in this question, it said you cannot use multiplication, division, and mod operator. So I think the simplest way is you can use some counter to do it. So for example, you have 100, you have 2, so every time you plus 2 and you reach 100, so you plus 50 times, so you get the 100. However, if they give you 2 billion and let you divide by 1, this is too much calculating. So how to do that one? So we concerned use the moving operator. So this means you have 100, want you to divide by the 2. So how to do this one? So you can do this one. You can move 2 to left 1 position, so then it becomes 4. And the 4 move 1 position, it becomes 8. And 8 move 1 position, they become 16. So 16 move 1, 32, and continue do it. So you can move 64, that is 128. That one is more than 100, right? So we only can move until 64. So how many from 2 to 64? So we move, this is 1, 2, 3, so we have 32, right? So this means 2 times 32 equal to 64. Okay, we get the 32. Then what is the rest? Is 100 minus 64, so it's 36. We do the same thing, so we get 2 times 16. We get the 32, right? So 36 minus 32 is 4. So right now we already have 2 times 32, 2 times 16, and then this one is 2 times 2 is 4. So what is 100 divided 2? It will be the 32 plus 16 plus 4, right? This one is 50. So when we use this left move, we can finally find how to build the final result. Okay, because actually the left move 1 is times 2. Okay, let's us to coding this one. Oh, before the coding, we need to consider some boundary problem. What is the boundary problem? Because here they have give you some condition. You only can use a 32-bit integer. Range is from this one to this one. So they have a little different, right? So, and then this side, if the result is more than this one, or less than this one, we will need to return those value. So because the dividend and the divisor both is a 32-bit integer, so we only need to consider one situation. Is if they give you the minimum integer value is this one, negative, and then let you to divide by -1. Only in this case, the result will more than the maximum of 32-bit integer. This one will more than this max. This is the max of 32-bit integer. So we need to consider this boundary problem. Okay, let us to start to coding. Now, so first we need to handle the return value. So we need to decide return is positive or negative. So we defined burning positive is true, and then if dividend is negative, if dividend is integer's minimum value and divisor is -1, we need to return this value. This is only we need to consider the boundary question. And then if the result is positive, could be the false. And then if divisor is negative value, will become this one. However, we also need to consider one situation. Right now, we already decided the result is a positive or negative. However, we can very easily calculate 4 divided 2, right? Because both this one is the same, both is a positive. We also can handle this one, right? Both is negative. However, let us handle this one. When we do the left shifter and the right shifter, this is a big trouble. So first, we need to put dividend and the divisor to the same. And also, we also need to consider the negative value actually is more than positive value, because the positive value is 2 power 31 minus 1, and the negative is 2 power 31. Right? This is if we change this one to the positive, it's impossible. However, the positive convert to negative is possible. So in this case, we should keep the calculating in negative path. So else. I think there's something wrong here. Okay, anyway. So we need to put this one to the negative. If it is positive, we will do the same thing. Division will be the 0 minus division. So when we do the calculating, both is negative. Okay, and let's define the result. Because this is a negative calculating, so every time we need to guarantee dividend is less than the division. If it is a positive calculating, it's reversed. And also we need to consider one question. This is they only give us the 32 bit. If some value is very huge, for example, if 31 minus 2, if you let this value left moving 1 position, actually the value will go out is more than 32 bit max value. So we use some tricky way to do it. So we defined the half dividend. That one, it will be the dividend right more. Then we use this one to do the compare. So divisor and 1, and then we need to get the maximum of the moving. So keep this one less than O, and then we let the O is double. So this one, and we need to calculate how many double, right? This one. Okay. Result just plus how many double. So it's here, right? Okay. After this one finished, we need to reset dividend to the dividend minus O, right? For example, here we reach 64, and then we need to use 100 minus 64 right here. We need to calculate the rest one, and then if the return is negative, we will reverse it and then return this one. Okay, this is the how to calculating and try. Okay, oh, this is one. What is this one? Error not find dividend dividend. It's typo. Okay, dividend and dividend. Okay. 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 Okay, and let's submit that. Let's check what's wrong. Input is 1, 1, output is 0. So if input is 1, so after this 1, both is checked to the -1. So the -1 did not go to this one. So okay, for that case we have to I see. This one we should give the equal condition too. Okay, yeah, we are done. So the performance also is good. Thank you for watching this video.